daughter to the Prophet Muhammad.
You're gonna let a woman tell us what to do? We will burn her out!
God will judge all of you.
This world has become a breeding ground of violence. Shadow will be cast across many generations to come.
Her legacy lives on.
Why the people know this one? Why not tell people? Why the Islam people know this one is not telling everybody? Why the scholar know this one not tell people, brother? Why?
Why the kids, brother?
People know this one. When the Islam, brother, wallahi kill me. But you don't know what I feel now.
Why?
Why did this one second? Why?
Allah,
Subhanallah. La ilaha illallah. The people, all people know this one, but not tell nobody.
Ya Allah.
Subhanallah. What is Islam, brother? What you talking to Islam?
Ya Allah.
La hawla wala quwwata illa billah. La ilaha illallah. La ilaha illallah.
Ya Allah.
No.
And everyone tried to hide this mother. All the Muslims, all the Shia try to hide this.
No.
Ya Allah.
No,
Ya Allah.
You can't believe nobody. Wallahi, you can't believe nobody in life. Wallahi.
Ya Rahman.
Like this, why
Well,
like
I
this,
don't know,
brother?
It doesn't make any sense to me, brother. It doesn't make any sense to me.
Wallahi, no.
So that they don't get upset. So they don't get upset. So we hide the story of Fatima so that they don't get upset. Allah, this is
People give,